Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix mobile data on but internet not working on Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. Why is my mobile data not working? And also mobile data not working after update your phone. So let's get started. Method number 1. Go to the settings of your device. Tap on Connections. Tap on Data Use. Tap Data Saver. Make sure that your data saver is turned off. Move back and tap on Billing Circle and Data Warning. Turn off the Set Data Warning. Also turn off the Set Data Limit. Now move back. Tap on Billing Circle and Data Warning. Here also turn off the Set Data Warning. Once it is completed, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, check it out your problem is remain or has been gone. If your problem still remains, then open the quick panel. Tap on airplane mode or flight mode. Wait for the 3 seconds. Turn off the airplane mode or flight mode. After that, check it out your mobile data is working or not. If your problem still remains, then go ahead with the next method. Method number 2. Open Settings. Search for Reset. Tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap again Reset Mobile Network Settings. Now select the SIM card which is causing this problem. After that, tap on Reset Settings. Enter your password, then tap on Reset. After the network setting resetted, move back from here and tap on Connections. Tap on Mobile Networks. Make sure the data roaming is off. Tap on Mobile Network Mode. Select Auto Connect. If you have dual SIM on your mobile, then select Auto Connect on both of the SIM cards. Tap on Access Point Name. Select the SIM card which is causing this problem. Tap on the 3 dots. Select Reset to Default. Tap Reset. After that, move back from here and select Network Operators. Select your SIM card and make sure that you have selected automatically. After that, I hope your problem with the mobile data will be fixed. After applying both the methods, if your problem still remains, then you need to check out that you have valid mobile data on your SIM card. You can also call your SIM card network operator's helpline for resolution. That's it. Thanks for watching.